In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank account in Payoneer. Linking your bank account to Payoneer is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. This will allow you to seamlessly withdraw funds to your bank account from your Payoneer account. Let's get started. First, you need to head over to the Payoneer website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. myaccount.payoneer.com. Once you're on the home page, sign in with your credentials if you haven't already. It's crucial to make sure you're logged in to the correct account to avoid any confusion later on. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Here, you will find a tab labeled Manage. Click on this tab. This section is where you'll manage various aspects of your Payoneer account, including linked bank accounts. Once you're in the Manage section, look for an option that says Bank Accounts for Withdrawal. Click on this option. This is where you can view any existing bank accounts linked to your Payoneer account and also add new ones. If you've never linked a bank account before, this page will be empty, but don't worry, we'll fix that in the next step. Now, you'll want to add a new bank account. On this same page, you will notice a button that says Add Account. Click on this button to begin the process of linking your bank account. A new window or section will pop up, prompting you to enter your bank account details. Make sure you have all the necessary information at hand, such as your bank account number, the bank's name, and any other required details. Take your time to carefully input all the necessary information. Double-check each entry for accuracy because mistakes here can cause delays in the verification process or even prevent successful fund transfers. After you've entered all the required details, submit the information. Payoneer may take a few days to verify your bank account, so be sure to check back if you don't see it linked immediately. And that's it. You've now linked your bank account to Payoneer. Once your bank account is verified, you'll be able to easily transfer funds from your Payoneer account to your bank account. This setup will enable smoother financial management, especially if you're using Payoneer for regular transactions or freelance payments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Payoneer's customer support for assistance.